Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Google Contacts. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Google Contacts you can add new contacts and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Google Contacts. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Google account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your Google personal account. At this stage, we provide permission to Save My Leads to work with your Google account. To do this, all the checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the Google Contacts fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Contacts in the form of new contacts, with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Contacts. After successful sending, go to Google Contacts and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Google Contacts as new contacts, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the name of the connection, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.